ganja beats. Street rhymes from the roots to the block. We redefine one rhythm, one mic. Let the vibe align. Feel the smoke, feel the bass. Let the stars shine. Ganja beats, street rhymes elevate from the island breeze to the city gate. Ganja beats, street rhymes, no hesitate. One love, one sound. Let the world vibrate. Let the rhythm play slow. Bassline heavy, let the energy flow. Rap on the roots, keep the culture in tow. Ganja beats deep, yeah, we run the show. Colors of the flag, green, gold and red. Roots in the heart, heavy bars in the head. Street rhyme sharp like the words we said. Ganja in the air, keep the fire ahead. No hate, no war, just peace and sound. Lift your spirit when the rhythm comes around. Ganja beats, street rhymes, yeah, we stand so tall. From the roots to the streets, we gon' bless them all. Ganja beats, street rhymes, let the fire blaze. Rap and reggae in a perfect phrase. One love, one mic, keep the vibe alive. Ganja beats, street rhymes, yeah, we worldwide.
Heavy bars from the islands to the city, we raise the stars. One rhythm, one mic, let the beat ignite. Feel the roots, feel the fire, keep the flow tight. High vibes, heavy bars, we elevate. From the block to the beach, we celebrate. High vibes, heavy bars, no hesitate. One love, one sound, let the world vibrate. Rolling with the rhythm, let the bass line drop. Reggae in my soul, but the bars don't stop. From Kingston streets to the dirt and blocks, we spit truth heavy like the ganja crops. Colors of the flag, green, gold and red. Peace in the heart, but the bars stay fed. Rap with the roots, let the culture spread. High vibes in the air, keep the fire head. No hate, no war, just beats and rhymes. Lift your spirit when the rhythm climbs. Heavy bars with the reggae signs. One love, one mic, it's our airtime. High vibes, heavy bars, let the sound unite. Rap and reggae in the same spotlight. From the roots to the streets, keep the vibe alive. High vibes, heavy bars, yeah, we worldwide. Reggae rap fusion. Yeah. Yeah. One love, one mic. From the roots to the streets, we unite tonight. Feel the rhythm, let the bass ignite. One sound, one vibe, keep the fire bright. One love, one mic, let the world hear this. From the island breeze to the Burkan bliss. One love, one mic, no hate, no war, just beats and rhymes, let the spirit soar.
Colors of the flag, green, gold and red. Roots in the heart, heavy bars in the head. Rap on the rhythm, let the culture spread. One love strong, keep the fire ahead. From Kingston streets to the city lights, mix the roots with the beats, make the sound ignite. Unity in the flow, yeah, we take new heights. One love, one mic, keep the vibe so tight. No change, no pain, just peace and sound. Lift your spirit when the rhythm comes around. One love, one mic, yeah, we stand so tall. From the roots to the streets, we gon' bless them all. One love, one mic, let the fire blaze. Reppin' reggae in a perfect phrase. One love, one mic, keep the vibe alive. One love, one mic, yeah, we worldwide.
Rasta flow, let the rhythm go. From the roots to the streets, watch the fire glow. One love, one mic, keep the vibe alive. Rasta flow, yeah, we worldwide. Rasta flow, let the bass line ride. Reggae in my soul, hip hop inside. Feel the vibe collide. One love, one sound, let the world unite. Rasta flow, let the bass line ride. Reggae in my soul, hip hop inside. Feel the vibe collide. One love, one sound, let the world unite. Colors of the flag, green, gold and red. Roots in the heart, fire blaze. Rap and reggae in a perfect phrase. One love, one mic, keep the vibe alive. Roots and rhymes,